Hello, my name is Anle, and my other name is William, and I was a nursing student in Seinäjoki, in SeAMK, Seinäjoki University of Applied Sciences, in the nursing program, and I started study in 2017, and I graduated 2 years ago, and now I'm working as a registered nurse in a surgical hospital in Helsinki. First of all, it came as a real surprise, and I was speechless. I didn't know what to say, but at the same time, I feel really grateful and really happy that I got selected as the alumni of the year by SeAMK, because when I was studying in Seinäjoki in SeAMK, I got really good teachers, I got really good education, and so I can achieve lots of things after graduation. And even now, when I was working for 2 years already, I still think of SeAMK as one of my good starting point for me to be a nurse where I am now. So it came as a really surprise that I got selected as one of the alumni for years, when I should be grateful for SeAMK instead. Being a nurse is a really rewarding, even though it's challenging profession, but I really think it's really a rewarding career. That's why I really enjoy being a nurse, and also the thought of being able to help people, being able to actually do something out there to help, to do something good to the world it is the thing that interests me in being a nurse, I think. For me, the best part about this study program is the practical aspect of it, because in this program we had like 8 practical training periods, and I think being a nurse, you really need practical experience. So these practical training periods, eight of them really help you to get better in working as a nurse and to get like a hand-on experiences from being a nurse. I think that's the best part. And also in SeAMK, in this nursing program, we have like really good simulation lesson, and also we have like good simulation programs that was, I think every year annually they have it for different level of student. So you get like first experience to work in a simulation, and then you can use that experience to work in your practical trainings. And I really think that's the best part, because it helps you a lot to get ready for what to come in your future careers as a nurse. For my training period, for my first training period, I was in Atendo, Vanhakoti. So I was just working as a we just need to do some bedresthoito, some basic care as a nurse. And then afterward, I was also working in hospital. I got my training places in departments such as orthopedic department or mental health department, and also in surgical departments. And all of those experiences have really like helped me a lot to realize like what I wanted to be. And I realized I wanted to be a surgical nurse. So again, for my advanced study, I decided that I would do my practical training in surgical, in operation theater. So, and yeah, I think I was given like really good chances to be like in different places of nursing in different departments, to get like a full view of what kind of nursing job that are there for me, and I could know what is the best selection for me, what could suit me the best. When I graduated, I feel super scared. I think it's like a common problem for all of the young nursing students who just got graduated, because you will feel like, what if you could not get a job, or what if you could not get a good job, or what if you could get a job but you didn't like that job? So like so many questions, so many problems to consider. But I guess I was just being afraid, but then I still went for it, and then I got a good job. So I could say that after graduating, there would be like lots of fees, lot of consideration, lot of scariness. But I guess we would just need to go forward, and then we will see what it comes will come. Well, it's a funny story because I just one day I just watched the news on television, and I have seen like many sad story about like wars and about like children being in distress about war and like hungers everywhere. So I feel like I didn't want to just stay in one place. I don't want to just sit and just do nothing. I want to actually go out there and do something, to study, to actually help people. So that's why I have decided to become a nurse, and then I started searching some nursing program in Finland, and because I really like Finland as a country. I have heard, and it's like a really beautiful country and peaceful with cold weather, and I like cold weather, so that's why I have been researching about nursing program in Finland, and then I came across SeAMK as one of the best university to apply for nursing program. I have heard that SeAMK has always been in the top nursing university if you want to become a nurse. So that's why I put SeAMK as one of my section for a study place to become a nurse, and luckily I got selected, and now I am a nurse thanks to SeAMK. Well, I just want to share one of my experience about my 4 years or like 3.5 years studying SeAMK, is that I know there will be like lots of time where we might feel like confusing, or you might question yourself, or you feel doubt, like why are you doing this, and what is waiting for you in the future, what will wait for you when you graduate, and lots of like confusion and lots of scary things to consider, to think about. But I would just say that if you put your eyes on the objective, if you put your eyes on what you want to be, I guarantee that you can do that, and you will be that, because that's exactly what happened to me. And I would just like to say thank you a lot to all of the SeAMK teachers and all of my peer students for helping me to overcome all of the obstacles, all of the difficulties, all of the challenges I have during those years studying SeAMK to help me to become who I am today.